Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are. This is an Ultima gasket kit. Okay, this particular kit does big twin early. Okay, so you've got masses of extras in here. You've got sort of various rocker box options. Okay, one with a hole, one without. So you got your, your really early ones here as well. You've got your exhaust gaskets, your stem seals. You've got all your seals for your manifold as well, and these are Viton. The blue is Viton, which is really high quality. Okay, here's your cam changing set. Okay, you can see here your oil pump gaskets, cam seal, crankshaft seal. Okay, head gaskets are these multi, the metal ones. Okay, these are very expensive normally. These are 40 thou. Okay, various options available. Obviously don't leak around here because of the metal. Okay, here's your other seals for your crankcases, etc. Where you need the copper washers. Here's your Vitons again. Here's your your rocker box gaskets. Okay, again, metal, not the usual cheap shit. These are proper metal with like a ridge. So as you tighten it down, this will seal perfectly. Okay, again here, these are your multi-layer gaskets. I don't know if you can see that, but these are actually more than one thickness. So these are real high quality again. This particular kit, like I say, this one here is for the early Evo, so that's up to 92, 84 to 92, I believe, if you check the years. But you can see the quality of this stuff. You can see here we've also got a late one. We've got a shovel one. Oh, we got another shovel head one. But we also do early and late Evos, okay? Late and early. So that covers, your basically right away from 84 right up to your 99s or 98 officially. So if you're interested in great deals, give us a call. 01773835666, customcruisers.com. All machining available, headwork, bit of porting, done it for years. Just started sort of offering it as a service with the COVID. But if you want your bike to really fly, we can put a stroker crank in it, bigger pistons, drop the compression or increase the compression. If you want to turbo it, obviously you got to drop it. Fit some 9.5s or rather than the 10.1s or whatever you're using. Okay, give us a bell. Customcruisers.com, the old site. The new site, customcruisers.eu. We are trying to get that done, but it's a bloody nightmare. It's such a crap factory, this shop factory crap. But the new one on Press to Shop is definitely a lot better. Give us a bell. Thank you. Customcruisers.eu, the new site. Customcruisers.com, the old site. Thank you.